Good morning, boys and girls. Welcome back to Teachers Allah's class. Today is Tuesday. Yes, well done, boys and girls. Okay, so for our morning routine, we are going to start with our Bible story, our weather chart, our days of the week, our months of the year, as well as our alphabet, our counting, and our shape and color of the week. Yes, boys and girls. So let's do our Bible story. The man from the roof. A long time ago, Jesus was at home, teaching his disciples and followers. His modest home was filled to the brim. People were jostling for space, but Jesus went on calmly to fill the people's heart with God's love. Soon, 4 men made their way to Jesus' home. They were carrying their paralyzed friend with them. The poor man could not walk and was helpless. But there was no way for them to reach Jesus. But the friends had faith in Jesus and believed that only he could help their disabled friend. So they climbed onto the roof, cut a hole in it, and lowered their friend towards Jesus. Jesus was touched by the simplicity and faith of these strong men. So he looked at the paralyzed man and said, "Arise and go home." And in an instant, the man could walk again. Well done, boys and girls. What a wonderful Bible story for this morning. So our lesson is, with faith, everything is possible. Okay, so boys and girls, now that we have done our Bible story, we are going to go on to our weather chart. Yes, so boys and girls, if we see our weather chart, we see sunny, rain, cloudy, partly cloudy, snowfall, and thunderstorms. And boys and girls, when we look at the weather today, we see that there's no clouds and only the sun. So remember to take your little peg with your arrow on it and put it on sunshine. Well done. Okay, boys and girls, now that we have done our weather, we are going to go and move on to our days of the week. So get your chart ready and let's go through. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Yes, boys and girls. Okay, and today is Tuesday. Well done, boys and girls. So take your peg with your arrow and put it on Tuesday. Well done. Okay, so boys and girls, now we are going to do our months of the year. So who can remember how many months of the year are there? Let's quickly think. 12. Yes, well done, boys and girls. There is 12 months in 1 year. Okay, but let's quickly name them. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. Well done, boys and girls. Okay, so now that we have done our months of the year, we are going to do our counting. So get your counting chart ready and let's begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Well done. So let's do it backwards from 10 to 1. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Well done, boys and girls. Oh, you guys are so smart. Okay, so boys and girls, let's quickly do our alphabet. So boys and girls, remember last week we have received a little game with the alphabet on the yellow page and the white page. So let's make some colorful and let us go through our alphabet. Remember, we're going to do the sounds that we hear. Okay. A, B, K, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, E, V, W, X, Y, Z. Well done, boys and girls. I am so proud of you. And if you want to, boys and girls, you can go and sing the days of the week song, the months of the year song, as well as our alphabet song to mommy and daddy, so that they can be surprised and see how well you are doing. Okay, so lastly but not least, we need to do our shape and our color. Yes, so boys and girls, as you can see, our color is red. Yes, well done, boys and girls. And our shape is a triangle. Yes, remember, a triangle has 3 equal sides. Yes, well done, boys and girls. I am so proud of you. Okay, boys and girls, now that we have done our morning routine, we are going to move on to our theme discussion. Yes, so boys and girls, once again, I'm going to take my sticky woolly board and I am going to do warm weather. Yes, boys and girls, so our theme for today is warm weather. Okay, so boys and girls, what do we get on a warm and sunny day? We get lots of sunshine. Yes, boys and girls, and if there's sunshine, then it's hot outside. Okay, so boys and girls, but sometimes when it's too hot, the earth needs to cool down. So what happens is wind starts to blow and form, and then they take all the wind blows all the clouds together, and then it starts to make a big and dark cloud. Yes, boys and girls, and what happens if all the clouds are pushed together? The clouds get heavy and it starts to rain. Yes, boys and girls, remember, if it's too hot, the earth needs to cool down. So what it's going to do, it's going to blow wind and wind until it forms a cloud, and then when the clouds get too heavy, it's going to start raining, because clouds is made out of water. Yes, boys and girls, well done. And remember, if it rains so much, then thunderstorm starts. Yes, boys and girls, then there's lightning and rain and wind all putting together, and that's how we get rain on hot days. Okay, boys and girls, now that we have done our theme discussion for today, we are going to move on to our activity sheet. You will see it is the two A5 size sheets, page 14 and page 15. So boys and girls, please write your name at the top of each page and make sure that it is spelled correctly. When you look at the page, boys and girls, there is a picture of a frog. The word frog and the capital and small letter of the F, of the F. Okay, so what you are going to do, boys and girls, is you're going to take your pencil or your color crayon and you're going to write in the middle, and don't forget to not lift your pencil from the page, and if you touch the sides, mommies and daddies are going to tickle you. Okay, so, and please color in your frog, boys and girls. When we go to page 15, they ask us color in only the things that begin with a F sound. So boys and girls, here you can see we have some pictures. We have fruit, a feather, a flower, a dog, and a frog. And at the bottom, boys and girls, you can see the dotted lines of the alphabet. Please make sure that you start at the big circle and end at the bottom. The same with this circle from the left to the right, and the same with the small letter F. Okay, boys and girls, Teacher Zala went and she has done hers. So as you can see, I have written my name on top in the name column, and I have colored my frog in nicely and neatly. So boys and girls, as you can see, this is how your page should look like. You should start in the middle, and as you can see, Teacher Zala has not touched the sides as well. And if you move on to page 15, boys and girls, where they asked us to color in the pictures that only start with the letter F, we are going to color in the fruit, the feather, the flower, and the frog. We cannot color in the dog because the dog does not start with the letter F, it starts with the letter D. Okay, so and as you can see, my dotted lines is done nice and neatly, and please remember, you are not allowed to touch you are not allowed to pick up your pencil from the page. Okay, boys and girls, now that we have done our worksheet activity, we are going to move on to our art activity. What fun! Okay, boys and girls, in your packet you have received a blank paper plate and a blank yellow sheet of A5 paper, as well as a paint container with paints in it. Okay, boys and girls, as you can see, Teacher Zala has already painted her paper plate with using her finger, and you can see it's nice and yellow. Yes, well done, boys and girls. And with Teacher Zala's blank paper, our yellow paper, as you can see, Teacher Zala has already put some lines with it with a ruler. As you can see, it's nice and straight. And as you can see, here is my paint container. There is no more paint in it because I used it all for painting the paper plate. So boys and girls, if we look at these materials, what are we going to make? A sun. Yes, boys and girls, well done, because our theme for today is hot weather. Yes. Okay, so boys and girls, please go ask mommy and daddy after you painted your paper plate and let it dry to just help you with a ruler and a pencil just to make some lines. Okay, as you can see, Teacher Zala made some multiple lines with a ruler, and now I am going to cut it out on the lines. Okay, dokie, so let's see. Please, boys and girls, make sure that mommy and daddy is near you when you are working with scissors, and mommies and daddies, please be present so that we can make sure our little ones do not cut themselves, their fingers, or play with the scissor. Okie dokie. Oops. Now Teacher Zala's just quickly cutting out the yellow strips of paper. You don't have to color as fast as me, boys and girls, but please try your best to cut straight lines. Okay, I'm almost done. And please, boys and girls, if you are struggling with cutting straight, it's okay. Everyone makes mistakes as long as you are trying. Okay, that is what counts. Okay, boys and girls, now that I have cut my strips of yellow paper, as you can see here, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 strips of paper, but it depends on what size ruler that you are using. Yours can maybe be more or less. Okay, so boys and girls, after you have painted your paper plate and that it's dry, please make sure that it's dry, otherwise our strips are not going to stick to it. Okay, have your print ready, put down your paper plate, and we are going to put our strips of sun rays. Okay, so we are going to cut it all around, boys and girls. We're going to paste it here all around the paper plate. Let's see how it turns out. So if you want to, boys and girls, please take your print, put it all around the rim of the paper plate. Okay, just like this. Make sure that there is enough print on the side, on the rim of the paper plate, so that our paper will stick. And please, boys and girls, make sure that you close your print afterwards, okay, so that it does not dry out. So you're going to take your paper strips and you are going to paste it like that to make sure that it's nice and sticky. I'm going to take the next one, and we're going to put it at the opposite, boys and girls, so that we can make sure we have equal rays on each side. Okay, so then we're going to take another one, and we are going to paste it at the top, and another one, okie dokie, and then our second last one at this side, and then on the other side. Okay, boys and girls, if you have more paper than Teacher Zala, you can please put more paper strips. As you can see, Teacher Zala is missing 2 here on the sides, but that is okay. You don't have to put more, only if you have the materials at home. As you can see, boys and girls, this is a nice shiny sun, and please go show mommy and daddy how beautiful your sun is. Okay, so boys and girls, that's it for today. Please, mommies and daddies, go through your sheet paper that you got from Teacher Anna and make sure that all your work is done. And remember, the links of the story and the song of the week is on the page. Okay, so Teacher Zala will see you tomorrow. Bye.